Well, with that, here's a question. Is AI turning into a global war on workers? Now, ladies and gentlemen, the debate is becoming much deeper than economics. It is becoming political, it is becoming philosophical, it is becoming more moral. Critics increasingly argue that artificial intelligence is being used not simply to improve productivity now, but to radically shift power towards corporation. Can you think carefully about the irony of this moment? Employees spend years generating data, workflows, and institutional knowledge. AI systems learn from that particular ecosystem. Then companies use those same AI systems to eliminate the portion of the workforce. In fact, Cloudflare CEO defended major layoffs by arguing that companies must become fitter in the AI era. Now that language, it really matters because it reveals a larger transformation in corporate thinking. Efficiency is becoming more important than employment stability here, and this fear, it is spreading globally. Labor experts worry that AI may create enormous wealth concentration while simultaneously weakening the middle class job security. In fact, in previous industrial revolution, new technologies eventually created new industries and employment sector. But some economists, they now fear that AI may behave very differently because it can automate not only the manual work but also decision making, communication, analytical tasks. Ladies and gentlemen, this debate is becoming extremely intense. Will AI create more opportunities than destruction? Or are we entering a period where millions of white collar workers gradually become economically replaceable? And this is why governments everywhere, including India, are now watching America's labor market very closely, because what happens in Silicon Valley today, it often spreads globally tomorrow. Now, coming back to Indian diaspora, let's talk about the story that is showing how immigration enforcement in America is entering a new phase entirely. Ladies and gentlemen, the US government is now trying to revoke the citizenship of Indian origin man. His name is Devashish Ghosh over allegations that are connected to $2.5 million fraud case. According to the Department of Justice, Ghosh allegedly conspired to defraud investors linked to the construction of an aircraft maintenance facility before becoming a naturalized American citizen. Here, authorities claim that during his 2012 naturalization process, he kind of falsely stated that he had never committed any crime for which he had been arrested. Now, prosecutors argue that his citizenship itself was obtained through concealment and misrepresentation. Wait, this is a very serious legal escalation, by the way, because denaturalization cases, they are historically rare in America.